About smart travel planning with AI. So this presentation will be split into four sections. So first we're gonna have introductions, second AI travel assistance, third pros and cons, and fourth step-by-step examples. So introduction. Okay. So, introduction to AI and travel planning. AI tools act like smart personal travel agents that work 24/7. They can compare thousands of options for flights, hotels, and attractions in seconds. Instead of spending hours browsing different websites, AI narrows down the best choices for you. These tools also help create personalized itineraries tailored to your interests and budget. For seniors, this means easier planning without feeling overwhelmed with technology. Uh, why why use AI for travel? It can cost save time. AI scans through airlines, hotels, and tour companies much faster than humans. They're more personalized. AI learns from your preferences, budget, comfort, activities, and suggests options that match your style. It also has real-time alerts, get instant updates on flight delays, gate changes, or even price drops. They're also more cost efficient. AI helps spot discounts and predict the best time to book, saving money, and also simplifies research. Instead of juggling multiple sites, everything can be managed in one place. History of travel travel planning technology. Before before with technology, people had to rely on travel agents who used phones, guidebooks, and personal connections. Around the 1990s and 2000s, online booking websites like Expedia and Booking.com gave travelers more independence, but still required manual searching. In 2010, smartphones and travel apps made planning more portable and interactive. As for today, AI systems like Hopper and Google Travel predicts prices, track flights, and even recommend local activities based on interests. So, section two, AI travel assistance. AI travel tools. So, as mentioned earlier, there's Hopper, which is best for predicting flight and hotel prices. Color-coded calendar shows when to book. Strong focus on savings and alerts for deals. And Google Travel, great for organizing and syncing trips, integrates with Gmail and Google Maps, helpful for automatically pulling in bookings and creating itineraries. And TripIt, ideal for itinerary management, organizes confirmations, tickets, and reservations into one timeline. Pro version offers real-time alerts and alternative flight options. Expedia's AI assistant integrates AI chat support for bookings, bundles flights, hotels for savings, user-friendly interface for seniors new to online travel tools. So I'll be more in depth about hearing about travel assistance. AI chatbots like Expedia Assistant and Hopper's Price Predictor help answer travel questions instantly. Virtual assistants such as Google Travel or TripIt can build entire itineraries from your flight and hotel bookings. Some tools use predictive models to estimate when prices will go up or down, saving you money. AI systems also remind you about check-ins, gate changes, and even suggest when to leave for the airport. These tools can be accessed on both mobile devices and desktops for flexibility. Using AI on smartphones, popular apps include Hopper, Kayak, Google Travel, and TripIt. Step-by-step download from the App Store or Google Play. Enter travel destination, dates, and preferences. View personalized suggestions for flights, hotels, and activities. Book directly from the app with secure payment options. Benefits, easy to use. Can send in push notifications for alerts. Great for seniors who want everything in one place. Using these AI tools on PC or Mac. Websites like Google Travel, Skyscanner, or Expedia for a large, more detailed view. Desktop versions allow side-by-side comparison of flights, hotels, and activities. Accounts sync across devices, so you can start planning on a computer or continue on a phone. Many websites provide advanced filters such as prices, airline stops, and amenities that are easier to manage on larger screens, helpful for users who prefer a bigger display and full keyboard navigation. Here's like an example. Features of the AI travel tools. Predicts flight price trends and recommends the best time to buy, suggests hotels tailored to your budget preferences and accessibility needs. Recommends local activities, tours, and restaurants based on reviews and popularity. Provides real-time alerts and about gate changes, delays, and cancellations. Organizes travel documents, boarding passes, reservation confirmations in one place. Offers travel tips such as weather forecasts, packing lists, and local transit suggestions. Some apps allow offline access to itineraries, maps, and key information when internet is unavailable. So, pros and cons. Uh, some okay, pros for AI travel planning. It saves time and effort, cuts down hours of searching across multiple websites. Cost savings, identify deals, discounts, and predicts the best time to book flights and hotels. Stress-free organization keeps all travel details, flights, hotels, activities organized in one app. Personalization provides custom suggestions based on your travel style, accessibility needs, and budget. Real-time support notifies you instantly about flight changes, cancellations, or new deals. Accessibility for seniors, simple dashboards and notifications make it easier to manage trips without confusion. Cons of AI travel planning. Internet dependency. Most AI tools require constant internet access to stay updated. Privacy concern. Apps may collect sensitive data like payment info and personal preferences. App slash tool limitations. Some AI tools may not cover smaller airlines or less popular destinations. Over reliance may discourage users from double checking or exploring outside recommendations. Subscription costs. While so many tools are free, advanced features require paid upgrades, which may not always be necessary. Step-by-step examples. So this is an example for booking a flight. Open an AI travel app like Google Travel on your phone or computer. Enter your departure city, destination, and travel dates. Compare different flight options, including airlines, layovers, and seat classes. Select the best flight and allow and follow on-screen prompts to confirm booking with your credit card. Receive an organized confirmation email and the app automatically adds to your itinerary. AI continues monitoring the flight and alerts you about gauge changes, delays, or better price drops. So using the example with Google Travel. So next example is planning activities. Again, you open Google Travel, Kayak or Trip activity section, enter your location, travel dates, and interests. AI recommends top-rated attraction, tours, and local restaurants based on reviews and popularity. New details such as opening hours, ticket prices, and travel time from your hotel. Save activities directly into your itinerary for easy day-by-day planning. Activities are synced across devices and can be shared with family or friends traveling with you. Here's an example or picture. Oh, yeah, that's all.
Okay,
If
you
you like to
can.
learn, all right, let's stop sharing now.